Hey guys, how's everybody doing today? Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. It's Joey again, and you know what? I think it's time to get a little bit of metal detecting going on. I'm at a Cornerstone Park here in Henderson. This is like a suburb of Las Vegas, and I've discovered a couple of volleyball courts out here, and I like playing in the sand because yesterday I went to a park. The grass was terrible, and until we can get our water situation handled out here, it seems like the best thing that I'm going to be able to do is to come out here to the sand lots and see if we can find anything. So this is what we're working with here today. Two of the sand lots here, number 1 and number 2. And this is really nice, man, because we are actually at a water park preserve for the wildlife here. And down below there is going to be like natural ponds all about here. And there's just absolutely nobody here at the volleyball courts except me, where there's 90 degrees. So I think we're going to get it. I brought the Garrett Ace Apex with me today, and let's go on over there and see what we can find. Stay tuned. Alrighty guys, so here we go again, another Apex day. Let's run out here and see what we can find. It just rained out here last night, if you can believe that. I mean, it wasn't a terribly great rain, but it was some kind of moisture. We'll take whatever we can get out here. Volleyball court, so we're gonna go to court 1 and court 2. I'm gonna be running the old Apex out here in 0 mode. Right, so I'm gonna be running in 0 mode. Let's check the menu options here. Sensitivity is 2 notches down from full. Volume, why not? We'll just kick it up there so where everybody can hear it. Iron volume 3, frequency, we'll just do multi-frequency. Channel 5, it doesn't seem like I have any EMI. 0 mode, I'm not gonna notch out nothing. If it sounds good, I'm gonna dig it the way you should. So let's go ahead and get to it. I'm gonna start out here. All right. Man, this thing's quiet as hell today. What's going on, Mr. Garrett? Some quietness going. Oh. Got some grunts here. Grunt action. $88.89. All right. First find of the day. Quarter action. Yeah, just basic clad. We'll take it. Number 1. Well, man, I was really hoping to get some better targets than what I've gotten so far. Doesn't look like anybody's been playing out here on this field here in quite some time. I can't blame him. It's hot as hell. But maybe I don't know. I have full, not yet. We're hoping though. Right on. Yeah, but we can only hope that the old Garrett here could sniff out something. I have confidence that we'll eventually find something out here. What was that grunt noise? Thought I heard a grunt. You hear that? It's kind of grunting. Got a 79. $79, not too deep. Tap one down. Hey man, at least this gravel's not too bad. Where are you? Oh. What is this? Looks like some sort of a... What is that? IXOYE? Some fraternity? A fraternity fish? IXOYE. I think, man, I could have swore I picked up one of these once before. Is that a fraternity logo or something like that? No idea, but it's got a little hole in it. Might be a zipper pull or something. Don't know. All right, second find. Let's keep it up. So I haven't found anything yet. I've worked on that side down there. I used to always tell you guys that I like to try to find everything within three feet of the net, either left or right. I didn't find anything on that side, but we're gonna go ahead and just try to keep sweeping right down here. I don't know why I was getting those falsing, man. Moving this net around, thought I was getting some falsing signals, but yeah, man, I don't know. I mean, it doesn't seem like anybody's been coming out here anytime soon. But here we go. Did I find something over there? Nope. Ooh, good signal. 92. 92 action. Let's see what we got going on here. What's that? Looks like some sort of a token or something. It says, "Yes, I am a pirate." It's some kind of, it's from Margaritaville. It's like a bar here in Vegas, downtown. Margaritaville pirate token. Nice. All right. You know what's really interesting is right along this wall is normally where I would think people would sit, right? I mean, that's what it's designed for, so that you could sit and watch the game. But what I'm getting is whenever I get this detector close to the wall, and I would think that those are targets. I'm like, yeah, I'm getting all excited, but it ain't, unfortunately. There's rebar in that wall, and that's what we're hitting on over here. Multiple sadness, guys. No good signals. The tip of this coil is just reading the rebar. Terrible. Tears to my eyes. All right, we got another pretty decent signal right here. It's about a 78. 78, right about there. What can it be? Oh, where did you go? I just had you. Oh man, that out of the way. Oh, there it is. Oh man, just an old memorial penny. Oh well, clad is clad. All right, so we are along this wall right here. Boom, and we know that nothing against this wall is going to be any good. So I stayed away there. But back over here, I managed to get another 72. 65 to 72, right around here. Let's see what we got. Oh, another stinking zinkin, but this one's not all beat to shit. Very nice. All right, so right along this wall is the entryway into the volleyball court, and I got a 45-50. How hard for me to isolate a pinpoint. Might be more than one target in here, but we'll just try to pull one out for right now and see what we have. Oh, wonderful. The bane of my existence. Pull tab. What would we be if we didn't pull a pull tab? You wouldn't be a real detectorist, would you? No. Well, so we were over there. We were over there where I got that false. It sounded like there was a target. Then I thought I had a bad pinpoint. Dug up over the top of it, dug down, pinpointed. Nothing again, ran over it with my coil, and the signal's completely gone. So, I don't know what that's all about. So anyways, I'm back over here, clear ground, and I just happened to get a little signal over here. Right here, where is it? Bunch of grunts, but I had one good signal. Well, no, that's a 32-33. It's beeping iron, 32-33. Oh, well, I guess we got to dig it. I mean, it is sand. We need to come out here for a suntan. Let's see what we can get. All right. Look at this, man. A little piece of jewelry. Look at that. Little piece of jewelry. It is a piece of poo-poo. A ring on the day. 32-33 for a piece of poo-poo. Yeah, this is definitely nada. Well, let's put it back in the ground again and see what we heard. Right, so I was getting what? Grunts, 33 and grunts. All right, so 33 and grunts gave us this twisty kind of a ring here, whatever that is. But hey, I'll take it. Anything is interesting. Agree? Well, guys, interestingly enough, right here where we found that ring, that 33 grunt, right next to it, I got another one. Now this one is jumping 37, 55, 60, 66. It's not grunting, but the numbers are all over the place. Between 60 and 78 right here. So let's see what we got over there. Oh, come on. Can never be easy, guys. Can never be easy. Oh, I see it right there. Oh, look at this. More bling bling. Wow, came out pretty clean, whatever this is. I don't see any marks on it. Very clean though. It's of a golden nature, but I don't see any indication of anything that would dictate that this thing is worth anything. No stampings, just a golden color type of an earring right next to the golden color rope ring. Oh well, something's better than nothing. Very interesting. Like I said, right here was the ring, right there was the earring. So let's keep it moving, see what else we can find. Let's just do a little quick wrap up of what I found here today. So we'll shut this thing down and we'll take a look in here and see what all we got for the day. Don't look too bad. Not too bad at all. All right. So let's see here. For the old wrap up, let's see what we got here. 1, 2, 3, 4 dimes, 3 pennies, 3 nickels, 3 quarters, some sort of a Margaritaville pirate token, whatever that is, a Summa Cum Laude fraternity fish, some type of bling bling earring, no hoop, no partner, just this, and this piece of twisty rope bling bling ring, pull tab, bread wire, and of course one of the favorites here, the bobby pin. And that's it, guys. That's all we got for you here today. So anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this up. I'm sorry I couldn't get you guys any of the real cool stuff, but at least we got a chance to come out, and the weather wasn't too terrible, and I was able to give the old Apex a run and see what's going on. There was a couple of issues I had here today with it falsing on me, which I don't understand that. And like I said, that's the only reason why. I mean, I have a love-hate relationship with the old Apex, because you know, sometimes it does work and other times it falses on you, man. And you know, like I said, I am running the 278 and there is a 277, and I need to run the 278 update. And many of the people that tell me that if I update to this 278, it'll be more stable and it'll find better targets. So hey, we'll get over to that as soon as I'm absolutely confident that we've tested this thing out the best way that we can. And we'll go ahead and get that update done, and then I will revise you guys with that latest video. So anyways, guys, that's all I have for you guys today. Thank you very much for tuning in to another episode, and I'm going to wrap this up, upload it, get it over to you, and I'll see you back here on my next episode. You guys be well. Take it easy.